Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find your entire comment history on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is easier and more organized than ever. Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily review, manage, or even delete your past comments, all from your desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where Facebook keeps all your personal controls and tools. Once you click on it, a new set of options will appear. Now look for Activity Log and click on it. The Activity Log is like your personal Facebook diary, recording almost everything you do on the platform. Inside the Activity Log, you'll see a range of activities you can review. For today's purpose, focus on the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Comments. Click on Comments, and just like that, you'll see a complete history of every comment you've made, whether it's on your own posts, friends' updates, or public pages. Here, you can scroll through your comment history, see exactly what you wrote and when, and even jump directly to the original post. If you spot something you want to delete or edit, simply click on the three dots next to the comment and choose your action. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can access and manage your entire Facebook comment history from your PC, thanks to the new update. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.